Hey there, if you're new here, my name is Nero, and this is a part of a series where we're going to be building a C++ engine that will be used by both iOS and Android. If you want to know more about the structure or architecture of it, you can look at the description below or the pop-up on the right. So in this video, I'll be going over the tools that I'll be using to create our engine and application, and in the following videos, I'll be going over how to install them and set them up. So first, for C++ development, we're going to be working on VS Code. The reason I chose Visual Studio Code is because it's cross-platform, so regardless of what OS you're working on, you'll still be able to do development. So the standard for Android development is done on Android Studio. The developers of Android Studio are JetBrains, and they make a lot of great IDEs like PyCharm, CLion, even IntelliJ. And I'm a huge fan of it because of the great GUI, and it's super easy to use, even for a beginner. So we'll be using that. So for iOS development, unfortunately, only the people who have a Mac can develop on it, since the application we'll be using is XCode. Similar to how Android Studio is the standard for Android development, XCode is the standard for iOS development. Next, we'll be needing CMake. CMake is kind of like a script that is used to install multiple things, and it'll set up stuff for our code. The good thing about this is that Xcode and Android Studio both allow CMake. And that's all for this video. So hopefully you found it helpful, and now you have a better understanding as to what tools we'll be using. If there's any questions that you might have, leave them in the comments below. Hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.